What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Iowa, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some garlic Parmesan spinach and chicken. It's a mouthful, isn't it? Well, it'll be once we get it done, buddy boy, so haul ass and get in gear, will you? Go on! That's right, buddy. Garlic Parmesan, spinach, and chicken. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, that's a hell of a lot of stuff, man. I thought you was old Mr. Brokey. How you get the money to do all this? Well, I'm going to show you that it really don't cost that much. And with just a touch and a little pinch of a few good things, you can have something, oh, so good for you. Now, first thing that you got to do, get your crock pot out. We're going to use the crock pot today because it's going to cook slow and it's going to give everything that good flavor. Now, you got to go ahead and get your chicken to have with the garlic Parmesan chicken deal. So, I went ahead and got them chicken leg quarters again, man, because they're cheap as hell, and you know me, that's what I'm going to do. So, go ahead and get those, put them down in your crock pot, and as we always do, a little salt and pepper just for flavor because it's good. Now, put that salt on there first, followed by just a touch of that black pepper too. Now, I went ahead and added a little garlic powder too, and you're saying something like, oh, isn't that a little overkill, man? Kind of like that Motorhead song? Well, to me, I want some of that good garlic flavor right down in the chicken and not just on top, buddy. It's going to give it that extra punch like Mike Tyson. Now, you got your chicken seasoned, and you put it down in that pot. I put mine on low, and I let it go for about 2 hours or so. Now, after about 2 hours, I looked at this thing, and it was bubbling, boy, like a bottle of that Cristal in the club with P. Diddy. And at that point, you want to go ahead and take it over to the sink or somewhere and drain out that excess juice. Now, the thing about it is, if you're going to make a soup or something in the next couple days, save that juice, baby, because it makes a good stock. But if you're not going to, like me, and don't do it because I didn't have time for that shit. Now, first thing that you got to do is, yeah, my phone ringing too, and I ain't got time for this shit either. I'm going to have to call you back, buddy. Now, you got to drain the chicken off, and then we're going to go ahead and put our sauce in here. Today, this is that garlic Parmesan from the B-Dubs. And you're saying, why are you using this? Good, available, ready to go. Now, I pour that in there, get extra saucy, baby, like I'm going to tonight after I get done fucking with this. And we're going to put a little spinach in there because, you know, that spinach make you strong like Popeye. Now, take your spinach, go ahead and put it down in there. I didn't put a whole lot in there, just a little bit, and you're going to see, you know, you're saying to yourself like, oh, yes, you did put a whole lot. I saw what you did, you little sneaker. Well, when you look at it, and it's going to almost wilt in a way. It's going to shrink when it's in there cooking, so don't you worry about me, buddy boy. So, put it in there, put it on high. I'm about to go do the same. And in about 2 hours, we'll be ready to have a big old sight and a big old, beautiful, wonderful, delicious bite of this garlic Parmesan and spinach chicken mixture tonight. Alright, baby, the time has come. The garlic Parmesan chicken and spinach is done. And I'm having that first bite for Big Papa. So, let me dip my fork and see what happens. Now, the thing about this, you're saying like, oh, those are chicken leg quarters. Can't you just pick it up? Number one, it's burning hot. Number two, if you cook it right, it's going to fall off the bone, baby, so you need your fork. Now, dive in and let me begin on this beautiful dish, and I wish you were here to have a bite, baby. Man. That's the stuff right there. Might need just a little more seasoning after the thing because it's going to melt down and, you know, give you a kind of a juice in there, but I gotta tell you, buddy, it's beautiful already. That garlic Parmesan in there with that fresh chicken and the spinach just to top it all off, give you a little extra texture. That's that good stuff, baby. And I want to thank all of you good people for watching me on another episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. Now, you can also watch all my other YouTube cooking videos right here on, well, my YouTube channel. Now, if y'all excuse me I'm about to do some deep diving and see if we can't slide around the bone, if you know what I mean there, girl. So, we'll see you next time, and hope you love it. Ooh, because I do.